Gridfinity is not only totally awesome, it's completely free. This video explains how you can use our GRIDFI.CC parts catalog to download Gridfinity parts from their source for free. To do this, go to our parts catalog on the start page by clicking on the menu item Parts. For example, if you want to download the Great Pen Tray from Robert J. Paisley, click on the relevant tile. This selects the pen category. Here you will find different variants of the pen tray. If you click on one of the tiles again, you will open the selected part. To go to the source of the part, look for Credit, then click on the Source button. This will open the source in a new tab, in this case fangs.com. Please note, depending on the source, it may be necessary for you to create a user account to start the download. There are also parts that were created with open source scripts or other tools. You can proceed in the same way here. For example, to find the script that was used to create the GRIDFI containers, click on the Container category in the parts catalog. Then click on any container to open the respective part. To go to the source, look for Credit and click on the Source button. This will open the source in a new tab, in this case github.com. The same also works if you have already created a configuration. To do this, click on the desired part in the grid or in the Configuration menu item to select it. Then click on the name of the part to open it in a new tab. Here you can click on Source as before to open the source. We wish you lots of fun with Gridfinity.